Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from jagfx.com. It is Monday, the 8th of June 2020. It's about 6:15 local here in Da Nang. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. I'm a little bit behind schedule today. I had some internet issues and also not feeling that flash today. So I'm just took a few hours to get going, me and the computer. But we did a few things on the 12-hour chart. So we'll run through what has happened both this morning and later this afternoon. The two new candles for the 4-hour charts for me are 4 a.m. and 4 p.m. local. So let's have a look at the charts. Trading View, where is it? There it is. Here's my watch list on Trading View. These are all the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour charts. The ones highlighted in blue, ones I've currently got trades open. Highlight in orange, the ones I'm going to discuss in this video. No highlight, no trades. So it's fairly busy, a lot happening. Right, let's start with what we're looking at first. Aussie, New Zealand. I was in a sell here. My sells are designated by the red line, so the red vertical dash line and the horizontal solid red line. That's my sell area on this red QMP filter dot. You can read my notes on the chart here. Just pause the video and read them. So sequence one, there's only one sequence on this, that's S1. There's a sell. Now, the MACD Platinum is through the zero level, which is this oscillator down here. It's through the zero level, so I'll just take some action. So I've closed half and put a stop in place. My stop's a red dotted line. So I've closed 0.01 and put a stop in at 8,107,969. That was a profit of $5.68, which is being added to the profit to date. All these trades, since I've been doing this, since the 3rd of February, I think, are recorded on a shared spreadsheet, so everyone's got access to that spreadsheet. There's a link to that spreadsheet in the description of the video. This green line down here is just a big number. In this case, it's parity, 1.000. If you see red trend lines, bearish divergence. Green trend lines, bullish divergence. Blue trend lines, just something that interests me, like support, resistance, that sort of thing. 3 MAs on the chart, 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and 240 LMA. They just give me an idea of trend. And what else can I tell you? This is a MACD Platinum. It's just a zero lag MACD that oscillates around the zero level, looking to sell when it's above the zero level, buy when it's below the zero level. This indicator here, the red and green dots on the chart, QMP filter, just a combination of the MACD Platinum and another indicator that's not displayed called the QQE Advanced. Just when they're in sync, it produces these dots on the price chart. All right, let's move along. CAD Swiss, what do I do on this? All right, here you'll see S1, S2, different sequences. Where the S1 is where that sequence commences. So there's normally notes like this. Where the S2 is that's where that sequence commences. There can be multiple trades on the same candle from different sequences. So this morning, this afternoon, got a new buy signal here. The MACD Platinum's above the zero level, so it's not a valid buy signal, a valid buy sell. Oh, geez. It's not a valid buy signal, but it's I'm in sequences, so I have to hedge, protect my positions because I haven't got any stops in place. So it's a third hedge buy on sequence 1, and it was a second hedge buy on sequence 2. So both these sequences, break even, not applicable as hedged, overall break even, not applicable as hedged. So that's just a CAD Swiss. Euro Pound. New sell signal this afternoon in 2 sequences. Sequence 1 started here, sequence 2 here. You can read the notes again. So it's a fifth sell on sequence 1. So that gives a break-even level of 87967. That's the top yellow line there. The yellow lines are my overall break-even levels. And sequence 2 is a hedge sell, so that's hedged at the moment. Overall, for all trades, break-evens, it's 87892, which is the bottom yellow dash line there. So they're both pretty close. That's the Euro Pound. And again, not a valid standalone sell signal because the MACD Platinum's below the zero level. But the because I'm in sequences, I have to take some action. If this was the first time I looked at this chart, I wouldn't take that sell trade. So, all right, New Zealand Swiss. Now you're going to be prepared. You're going to see an empty chart. Well, not completely empty, but maybe. All right. Now, if you can recall from my last video, I had trades starting over here. It's from day one, basically. So I've closed all sequence two, I've closed all the original sequence one trades. There was 19 trades in total. Actually took an overall loss of $194 roughly. And that's been deducted from my profit to date. Remember I said I was just accumulating profit, then using some of that profit to offset any losses. So this sequence, which was a lot of trades. I've already cleaned up the chart. I wasn't going to leave it all on there. The swap overnight interest rates was starting to add up. So I just took the hit, $194. I was in profit, 200 and something. So I'm still overall profitable on this pair, and I've still got potential trades to make more money on. So I'm in a sequence, a sell and a hedge buy at the moment. That's all I'm in. It's pretty good getting rid of all them. So it's cleaned up the spreadsheet a lot, and it's cleared up, it was taken up a lot of chart space. It looked ugly, too many trades. All right, USD Swiss franc. This was this morning, I think. Yeah, this morning took a buy trade in here. This is would be considered a valid buy signal. I'm already in. It's just the one sequence, so it was a buy, hedge, sell. Now we've taken a second buy. Overall break even's not that far away. It's just up there. It's been a pair. It's been tough going though. Swiss franc's been stuck in this range. Doesn't look too bad on 12-hour chart, but man, the daily chart's ugly. So I just got to go up a little bit higher there, and we'll hopefully clear that out. The MACD Platinum's been hugging the zero level too, so not ideal, but not too bad either. So that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys. Sorry about the delayed video, but not much has happened anyway. Price hasn't moved that much or anything like that. And I'm just happy to be out of that sequence, big sequence on the New Zealand Swiss. I could have probably let it, go a bit longer. My overall break even was actually down in here somewhere in this area, but because of the swap, I can't. This thing's gone up pretty well, so it looks like it's starting to weaken a little bit, but nah, we're still in front, and that's the main thing. Spreadsheet's all up to date, which is good. All right, thanks for watching. If you do like the videos, please hit the subscribe button. If nothing else, just hit the like button. That'd be greatly appreciated. And keep in mind, everyone's more than welcome to join the JagFX Facebook group or Telegram groups. All right, enjoy the day all or the night, and I'll chat to you probably tomorrow. Cheers.